Forward head posture, FHP, is a common condition where your head is positioned with your ears in front of your body's vertical midline. In normal or neutral head posture, your ears line up with your shoulders and midline. FHP can cause neck pain, stiffness, and other side effects. It's also often associated with rounded shoulders, called kyphosis. The good news is that you can usually fix it. Stretching and strengthening exercises along with paying attention to good posture relieves side effects and restores better posture. How to tell if you have FHP? Stand with your back to the wall, shoulder blades and heels touching the wall, feet shoulder width apart. Try to achieve a neutral back position. It can help to squeeze your shoulder blades together and then release them a few times. Is the back of your skull also touching the wall? If not, you have some degree of FHP. What are the most common causes of forward head posture? 1. Too much time looking at your cell phone. While the invention of cell phones has enhanced our ability to communicate with each other, looking down at the phone for extended periods of time rapidly can accentuate FHP and contribute to the onset of neck pain. Spinal surgeons have been reporting an increase in patients experiencing upper back and neck pain due to cell phone use. A new diagnosis, known as text neck, has been established to describe this condition. 2. Too much time at the computer. People who maintain poor or awkward neck posture for prolonged periods of time during these activities are susceptible to neck pain and muscle strains. For example, using a laptop computer placed on one's legs results in greater neck flexion, torque, and neck strain compared to using a standard computer located on a desk. Another reason is through video game playing can facilitate intense concentration and maintenance of awkward postures. Children and young adults who play video games excessively may be at higher risk of developing musculoskeletal disorders. 3. Sleeping with your head too elevated. This usually happens when you use too many pillows or when your head is propped against the armrest of a sofa. 4. Carrying heavy loads on the back, like a school backpack. The weight of the backpack and the posture at which it is carried can have an effect on FHP. It's important to use both straps of the backpack, keep it tight and close to the body, and try not to carry more than 30% of body weight. Why would you want to fix forward posture? 5 side effects of forward head posture are: 1. Jaw pain. FHP contributes to the development of pain in the jaw region by altering length tension in head and neck muscles. FHP creates excessive tension in the muscles above the hyoid bone which, in turn, places greater force demands on the muscles that close the jaw. Over time, excessive force demands on the jaw muscles can lead to the development of myofascial pain. 2. Neck tightness. FHP also increases tension in the muscles located directly above the hyoid bone. This can contribute to the onset of anterior neck tightness or pain, as well as contribute to other symptoms such as difficulty swallowing food. Restoring postural alignment of the head and neck has been demonstrated to reduce symptoms by re-establishing normal hyoid bone position. 3. Rounded shoulders. Many people with FHP also demonstrate anterior rounding of the shoulders and upper back as well. As FHP is associated with overactivity of the upper trapezius and levator scapulae muscles. This condition can not only contribute to rounded shoulders but negatively impact the normal movement patterns of the humerus and scapula. Rounding of the shoulders also predisposes to the development of shoulder pain and impingement. 4. Trouble breathing. Another negative influence of sustained FHP is the promotion of respiratory inefficiency. Normal breathing is initiated by the contraction of the primary respiratory muscles, the diaphragm, and external muscles. However, in people with FHP, muscle activity and function of the diaphragm may decrease, which can reduce lung expansion during inspiration. How to fix forward head posture? 1. Use one firm pillow. Choose a sleeping pillow that supports the natural curve of your neck. If your pillow is either too high or too low, it could cause your head to lie in an overtaxed position. The resulting muscle imbalance can be hard to correct. Instead, choose one firm pillow that supports your head with your neck at a neutral position. 2. Make your workstation ergonomic. While many of us sit at desks looking at computers all day, most of us can make some simple, posture-friendly adjustments. Choose a chair-desk combo that promotes good posture by allowing you to sit with your feet firmly planted on the ground, elbows at a 90-degree angle when you rest your arms on the desk. Position your computer screen 18 to 24 inches from your head, about an arm's length, with the top of the monitor at eye level so you don't constantly look down to see your screen content. 3. Adjust your backpack. Choose a backpack proportional to your body. If you aren't a huge person, don't choose a huge backpack. Take some time to remove unneeded items so you aren't carrying unnecessary weight. Try to position any necessary heavy items near the center of your back to reduce excess strain on the shoulders. Also, avoid carrying your backpack with one strap to avoid excessive stress on one side of your neck. 4. Start an exercise routine. Many of the stretches and exercises designed to counteract FHP are simple and can be worked into your daily routine. Deep breathing can also help your posture. Here are a few examples of exercises and stretches to start with. 1. Forward neck stretch. 2. Posture alignment. 3. Scapula retraction in prone. 4. Single arm row. There are many more, but you can get started with these. Rounding everything up. Forward head posture is very common today as people spend long periods of time bending over a smartphone or other device. FHP disrupts your normal body alignment, and can be painful or have other side effects. Exercise and stretching are effective in relieving pain and restoring proper posture. Fixing FHP requires paying attention to your posture and maintaining stretching and specific exercises throughout the day. Make sure to take care of your neck,